primitive.
I come out like a raccoon in the garage.
I basically am a fraud.
And then
I'm a
I start eating garbage.
patriot.
And then
I am
it
a Floyd clone of John Wayne and Elvis.
All the queer households that I've ever been to in my life have like the same things. It's fucking wild. You got the addiction collection, some weird shit in the bathroom that you wouldn't usually see in a bathroom. No walls, just fucking posters. A secret area for some mischievous shit. A table that is not made out of table you would find at the kids section of IKEA. And a plant that has been dying for 5 years. Nobody asked, but this is how I take a shower off-grid. I walk myself over to the well, pick up the hose, get the dirt out, hook it up to the well, turn the well on, the garden sprayer at the end of the hose over there, shower behind the little privacy screen, squeaky clean. The water's freaking cold, but I always unhook the hose because I'm a good neighbor, and then I fill up my water jugs and walk back home. There's a leak in the camper, and at first I thought it was this panel, which I had to replace when I fixed the camper up. But no, this looks all fine. The silicone is good. But then I saw, aha, a screw. A big-ass hole in the side of my camper. So I got some silicone, and I filled that little dude in. And hopefully the underneath of my bed won't be wet anymore. Hopefully. How do you tell the difference between a blackberry and a multiflora rose? Well, this is a blackberry. I look at the very center. It's got a little bit of green. This is a multiflora rose. It's mostly yellowish, and the stamen are a little different. It also has hips. Multiflora rose grow in kind of trellisy kind of patterns. They vine, while blackberries, they grow more in canes along the ground.
Without lying, post your 10 most recent photos.
I want you to know
that I'm never leaving, cause I miss the snow.
till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for seasons. So come on, hey go.
Let's go below zero.
High from the sun, I love you forever.
We have some fun.
I have a project and I need my van, but during most of the time, my van is my additional storage unit. So I used a little bit of magic and some help from my sister to get it cleaned up. But for what? So my van's name is Guinevere, or Gwenny Van. And she was in a state. There was oatmeal from last summer. There was a fun mixture of straw and charcoal. So we put the seat out. We got out a leaf blower and blew out the back of the van and the dashboard. Pretty much everything. With the leaf blower first, and then went in with the vacuum for some more fine detailing. And by golly, that water was so gross. We probably should have gotten the shop vac out and used that instead of rainbow, but, you know, live and let learn. This part was very satisfying. And while Bella was doing all the hard work, I was wiping down vinyl and clearing out the cup holders. And now Guinevere is ready to go. Instead of 2x4s and plywood, my mother had the genius idea of using utility shelves. So we put those in, zip tied them together. They fit perfectly like they were designed to be a bed platform. Amazing. To fix the headliner a little bit, we cut one side off of bobby pins, used that to pin it all back in place. We wanted to be a little fancy as well, so we got an LED light strip kit. This is powered by a USB, so we can just plug into a battery pack or the car. And it's very nice. For our bed, we got 4-inch foam on sale at Joann's, very comfy. And then we did some tracing and used the pumpkin technique of translating a template to make some cut-ins for the windows. Kind of makes a mirror effect. Those sheets of foam fit into a twin-size mattress cover, full sheet on top, and we are ready to hit the road.
Races. Amy?
sideburns off? No. Sideburns off? No. Can I accidentally clip my sideburns off? A little bit off of the ends of my hairs. Sideburns off? No. Sideburns off? No.